There's 104 days of summer vacation, then we come along just to pin it. Yeah, that's right. Welcome back to another unboxing episode on Once Upon the Magic. Today, we're opening Phineas and Ferb pins. We have one box made by the Monogram brand, and then two other ones. This is gonna be a frantic one, guys. Okay, buckle up. There's your options. Let me tell you a funny story while we're doing this, because these boxes are not very satisfying to pull. One of our children was really into Phineas and Ferb growing up. And so, oh, of course, it was one of the best pulls we've ever had on that. I made them a Swinter cake for their birthday party. Tell me if you remember the Swinter episode on Phineas and Ferb. Another fun fact. I have a lot of allergies, and I really like Candace because when she eats parsnips, I relate to her very much. I was really hoping that was going to channel her, but we got Ferb. He's pretty great, and he's on a skateboard. Looking cool. They're so good looking. I know they're plain on the back, but you know, they are textured. This quality is unbeatable. Let's break into these ones. I'm genuinely unsure who makes these. Whoa. Okay. Oh. We're coming straight out with Candace, my girl. Allergy Friends Unite. Okay, let's see who else we can get. Okay, maybe we can get Phineas, and then we would have the threesome. That would be great, right? Oh, double posted pins, huh? Nice. All right, here we go. Oh, duplicate. So if you need Candace, hit us up. We would love to trade for Ferb or Phineas or Perry the Platypus. Yeah. Or Perry would be our other big one that we would want. Those are nice looking pins. Here is our final progress for the Phineas and Ferb pins. These are two different brands. Both were purchased at Box Lunch. We have one duplicate Candace, and then we got Ferb. And now to get ready for our Disney Park trivia. In Phineas and Ferb, what is the name of the agency Perry the Platypus is a part of? Leave me a comment if you know the answer. Thanks for watching, friends. If you like Disney pin content, Disney Parks content, or Disney collection content, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bells, share it with a friend. It really helps us grow, and we will see you in the next one.